Yeah, my name is Roberto Epple, and I'm, let's say, a river fighter, fighting for water, fighting for better rivers, and that during the last 45 years. The Loire River is my favorite river basin. Of course, I like all the other ones from this big family of rivers, but the Loire River is very special. It's, let's say, the last wild river we have in Europe. Big diversity, a river dynamic is still here, low number of dams, and we have the last wild salmon from Europe, for example. And the French people, they love this river. A very big fight has happened on the Loire River in the 1890s. Many big dam projects, big threat. So we did a campaign and we could convince the government that there are other ways to satisfy man's need. So the river was protected, and the government adapted a very modern new river policy to manage this river. One of the plans to develop a new river management was to make in a way that fishes like the salmon, but also sediments, can flow free through the river. So we identified, together with the government, the places where we had bad dams and where are good dams we can keep, and which one we should maybe either remove or modify, in the sense that they will give the possibility to sediments and to fish to go through. In the same time, it is possible to keep, for example, the function of production of electricity and or water storing.
Ici, l'objectif de la transformation du barrage de Boutès, elle était d'arriver à concilier production d'énergie renouvelable et préservation de l'environnement, avec en particulier le passage du saumon. Le nouveau barrage de Boutès, il n'a plus rien à voir avec le barrage tel qu'il était auparavant. Auparavant, on avait un barrage qui faisait 20 mètres de haut. Maintenant, on a un barrage qui fait 7 mètres de haut, avec une toute petite retenue. Auparavant, on avait une retenue qui faisait 3,5 km. On a maintenant une retenue qui fait quelques centaines de mètres de haut. Et surtout, on a un dispositif de transparence qui permet de faire en sorte qu'au moment où les saumons remontent, il n'y ait plus de barrage.
I think that we have not to forget that we can act and we can change a lot. It's not hopeless. There is a chance, I think, and especially if we give the possibilities to nature to recover itself. Together with us, big changes are possible.